All right, today we've got a Torpedo Typewriter from 1959, I believe. The serial number is 1089553. This typewriter is a work of art, in my opinion. There's another guy I watch a lot on YouTube, and he says these are his favorite typewriters for a specific reason. They're just super snappy. They don't even have an adjustment for the typeset. They are just snappy, very, very fast, super great typers. And as far as I still use electric, but if I was going to use a manual, it would be this one. As far as aesthetics go, the thing is just gorgeous. This one has the chrome feet and chrome side, which is, I guess, more rare on these. This is I guess, the deluxe version. The other ones that don't have this pretty chrome on the side. It also comes with a hard shell case, which is also cool. I don't see anything wrong with it anywhere except I think one little nick right here on the edge. So just a little one, two small ones right there. Everything else I think is in perfect condition. So let's just go through this typewriter and I'll give you kind of a rundown of some of the stuff that it can do. Here's your shift lock, tabs. So your tab key is right here. So if you want to tab, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you hit this to set a tab. So and then you hit tab to go there. And same thing, if you want to get rid of it, you push it down. So now there shouldn't be a tab. So no tab. So set it, push up, take it off, press down. Over here is your ribbon selector. You got blue, white, red. Black or red basically. Black is going to do your black setting. Red's going to do your red setting. And then stencil in the middle is going to make it to where nothing, it doesn't hit any ribbon whatsoever. As far as on the back side of things, I think that's all we need to show on that. Backspace. Here's your margin release button right here. So if you get to the end and you want to keep typing, hit that. It works. What's weird is it doesn't even feel like it does anything, but it does work. There's that. So as far as back here, you've got your two margin releases, one right there, and then the other one on the other spot. Right here, let's start on this side. This is your paper release, so if you want to be able to move the paper around to do it, it's right here. Here's your bail, which I think, it just does that. You've got your bunny ear, which I really like this one because it has this top part that goes really long, so whenever your page is about to the top here, that means that you know where it's going to be the end of the page basically. Okay, on this side, same carriage release right here. Right here, this button or this lever, I believe is this actually resets all your tabs. So if you have a bunch of tabs set, I'm gonna just make a few. So if you got a bunch of tabs set, this button right here, if you push it back, it clears all of them. So instead of doing them one by one, you can just do it clear them all. Right here, there's a little switch here that makes it to where this moves freely without the little clicks. This is your line spacing, the one in front of it. It's got 1 all the way to 4 spaces, which is just insane. I've never seen 4 spaces, but it'll do it if you want. And I think that's it. There's a little bitty thing right here, which is for when you're storing it or putting it in the case. You can lock this is basically holds the carriage in spot. So you push it down, you basically push it and locks in there. So you've got to kind of finagle it to get in there, and then if you want to get rid of it, you just pop it off and then it opens back up. So that's good to know. Also on the inside, nothing. I don't think the only thing I saw is the ribbon reversal. So I didn't find a button. There's just a lever right here where you just push this back and forth for the ribbon reversal. So if you wanted to go this way or this way, it's right here and here. So there might be a button, but I'm not sure where it is. That's it. Everything's been cleaned and really updated and just really taken care of. This is a super well kept machine. I love it, but I've got too many, so it's going to be somebody else's happiness. One last thing in the very back is your margins right here. So you can just hit that. You hit this for your margin there as well. So let's do a type test. Show off this beautiful machine. And this is going to come, I believe, with a brand new ribbon too. So serial number 1089553. the whole thing just feels smooth. Like, look at that. Look at the line. It's perfect. I don't need to move the paper at all. Not to say that'll always happen. All right, starting with the black setting. Oh, I'm on stencil. Helps if I'm on stencil. That's funny. So, black setting. Let's try that again. Kind of a wet ink, so okay, there's that one. Let's do caps. There you have it. I'll take a picture of this and put it in the listing, but everything's perfect. This thing is just immaculate. This is one where I could actually type a manual typewriter, which I can't with everything, but let's just try it for a second. So, I'm not the best, but anyways, I could actually type. This has a good clicky, super fast. It's insane. This is a well-oiled machine. So yep, if you're interested, let me know. Probably have this on Etsy, or if you're just interested in these typewriters, I highly recommend them. This was it wasn't cheap, but they're worth it for sure. And I will say, probably one of the nicest typewriters I've come across. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.